Struggling to connect your favorite USB devices to your newer Mac or iPad? The USB-C to USB adapter is exactly what you need to make those connections seamless. Whether it's your flash drive, camera, or charging cable, this compact adapter bridges the gap between traditional USB accessories and modern USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 ports on your Mac or iPad. When Apple shifted to USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 ports, many users found themselves stuck without the usual USB slots. I faced this firsthand when I got my new iMac. Transferring files felt like a hassle until I picked up this adapter. Plugging the USB-C end into my Mac, I could instantly connect my old USB flash drives and even sync my iPhone using a Lightning to USB cable. It's a simple solution that restores full compatibility without the need for bulky docks or multiple cables. What makes this adapter a must-have? It's small, reliable, and works flawlessly with iOS and iPadOS devices. Plus, it supports syncing and charging your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. Customers across the U.S. praise its convenience, especially when switching between devices or on the go. One user shared how lending it out proved its value, because once you have it, you'll want to keep it close. If you own any Apple device with USB-C, this adapter isn't just useful, it's essential. If that's you, someone juggling multiple devices and tired of compatibility headaches, this USB-C to USB adapter is worth a look. It streamlines your workflow, keeps your accessories connected, and saves you from buying new cables or gadgets. Try it when you're ready to simplify your setup and keep your devices working together effortlessly.